EQ stock analysis and price predictions for Friday is Equillium stock a buy. Well, I'll definitely be breaking this down in this quick short 1-minute video. Certainly where things are now with EQ. This is a solid bullish market, and I'll tell you one thing. All I'm certainly looking to do is just double down, buy more. You know what I mean? Like, here's that. The previous idea that I cut was on point, right? So if you look at this, this is 12th of August made, and at the time was 94 cents. Just 9 days ago. Certainly just I wanted to see a little pull down and then a double break. And then we actually did have that, and then with how things are looking like right now, I'm obviously still looking to buy this market. I have my demand zone area set up in here. So only if it does correct itself down and gives me a shift, I'm fine to take things up, right? This is obviously not financial advice, and I'm definitely hoping I see a little correction, because if I don't, I'll just go kick rocks and follow other tickers. So if you want to stay tuned to get free money making emails and insights, click the first link in the description. It's free.